Okay, let's get to it. My name is Godfred, and today I'm going to demonstrate my projects that are created in Rust, which is a Hangman game. This project was a bit tricky, but with research and determination, I was able to find solution to some of the problems I was facing. I faced a lot of errors, right, which I searched up on the internet and found some solutions. And one of the website that helped me on the internet was um, let me see this site. Yes, the Rust programming language book, of which I learned some new couple of things, how to use the STDIO, also the VAC and also the self and intent to enable me to compile some of the cargo compilers and also install some softwares to enable my Rust program run successfully. So with this project, it's a game that a person of which you get some letters until you get a license. It takes only 6 attempts to get it right. When you're able to do so, then you have to do it to do that to get it right. So some of the tools I use for this project was Visual Studio Code, the Rust programming language, the Cargo Rust Package Manager on the bridge, and also Gates and Data for Crossing for free Windows command prompt with PowerShell and running the testing. But mostly when I'm running the application, I run it in the terminal of the DSP. Because I install some packages and I have to install the extension of the Rust in order to be able to run the program successfully. So let's dive into the main program where I started writing the code, which I entered the secret word to a string where the components to bring everything together to enable the program to run successfully. I found a lot of difficulties trying to get the right inputs and fields for this project. But with the documentation of the right state, I was able to project everything I needed for the game. Let's dive quickly into how to run the game. In order to run the game successfully, you have to go to this terminal and go and look for a new terminal. And write it to open. Now, in case I open the file and it is not in the directory of where I've saved all my folders, it will give me error. So I have to always open it at where I've saved the folder and the whole view in order to run the code successfully. So I write cargo run and then the folder successfully. As you can see, it has run and 0.07. So let me just address the data. So in this case, I'll just type S again. So now I'm left with still 6 again because the letter S is part of the first word I'm supposed to get. And then next word, the color will be R, next enter. It's also the right word, one of the letters for the right word. You fill it with 6 seconds. And let's try E, enter. I still like to 6 seconds, but E is also uh, the letter I'm supposed to enter into the first word. Let me try L. L is not that to left with only 5%. Let me try E. E is a word, and also to try. So the last letter will be let me let me let me Very good for why? Why is not country? I look at where I come from. Where is not country? I look at where I come from. This one is not country. Let's just one is that. I look at three words. Let me see. Okay, so I'm looking for three, still three items. Welcome. Congratulations. Yes, the right way. 1%. We are still. So I think that is how the game is being played. This is how I was able to overcome this a bit of time. I'll catch you in the next period. Have a nice day. Peace.